Over the last 2 years, we've been kicking this idea around of doing mobile oil changes. We've had a lot of feedback from our customers that this is the type of service that they want. So when we saw this trailer, this made more sense for us rather than having a fully outfitted truck, oil tanks in it, and a drivetrain in that. This makes a lot more sense for us. Take it to a lot with one of our mechanical trucks and perform mobile oil changes and inspections and general repairs. Cover from Richmond to Boston, Massachusetts. So pretty big area, 50 locations. 20 of our locations are doing mechanical repairs at this point. We're expanding this part of our business every year. Next year we expect to get a couple more locations on board. So we see this trailer as the first of several that we're going to put out there. But the first one's kind of like a trial, and we'll work the little bugs out of it, and we'll go from there. Expect good results from it. We're excited about it.